Supervisor Williams, and it's great to be with you all here tonight. There we go. I thought it quit on me, I'm sorry. We're blessed to have a great weather evening here together and remember our lost loved ones to this terrible epidemic that we have throughout the country. As Supervisor Williams mentioned, this is a collaborative effect with law enforcement and other communities and families to help deal with this crisis that's before us. And it is that. From a law enforcement perspective, our first responders, fire and police, are on the front lines, coping with families and those that are struggling with their addiction. And when it was defined with the flowers with the ribbons in my family, the red ribbon and the blue ribbon apply to my family. I have individuals in my family that are dealing with addiction issues, and gratefully, I have 2 members that are in recovery and doing very well. But as we all know, that's a day-to-day struggle, and it never ends. From law enforcement, and I'm also the president of Wayne County Police Chiefs Association, and we work together, collaborating, as the supervisor mentioned, not only with Canton Township and Livonia, but all Wayne County police agencies to try to develop strategies to help families and law enforcement and courts deal with really the scourge that's before us and save lives, rescue families, and get people healthy. And we've had some success with that. But just like today, everybody coming together here and being committed to this mission and not forgetting the pain and the loss that all of you have suffered, and look for ways to make great progress and educate and again save families and save individuals is really very noble and really throughout our communities very much appreciated. It's easy when you're dealing with so much pain to kind of curl up and then just hope it all goes away and ends, but it doesn't. When you face it, at least this is my belief, when you face it and you look for ways to take a tragedy and make something as much as you can good out of that awful loss is a noble deed in fact. At this point, I ask Sergeant Cox to come forward. He's going to spend a little bit of time speaking to the specifics that I mentioned about the collaboration that we are all in with DEA, OD mapping, and working with communities to again, deal with this terrible situation.